When I was younger, I honestly thought that speaking Gaelic was the coolest thing ever. Not everyone else agreed though. The English classes definitely thought that we were a bit weird, and you know what it's like at that age, it doesn't take much. We were mostly kept apart too, so I don't really blame them. But for us, it was like having this secret language, a secret club that only a small number of people belonged to. And growing up, yes, of course, we always heard about the language dying, but who didn't want to feel like they were a part of something special? We weren't just learning about it, we were living it, speaking it, experiencing everything the language had to offer, and because of that, we were given so many special opportunities. Now, as an adult, I see it really differently. I still think that Gaelic is cool, that hasn't changed, but now I just want more people to feel that too. I want the club to grow. I want more of us to share in it, to experience it together. When I hear people say the language is dying now, it doesn't make me feel like part of a secret anymore. It just makes me feel sad. And honestly, I don't even believe it, because look at you, you're learning and you're not alone. There's so many of us, and I'm so proud to be a part of this group that's helping bring the language back. So yeah, speaking Gaelic is still cool, but you know what? Now you're here, you're learning, you're part of it too, and I think that's even better.